Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate a circle in 2D space. If you haven't seen my previous video on creating a circle in Excel, that might be a good video to start with to get some basics. All we're going to do that's different for this video is increase or change the degrees of rotation for each point around our circle. Do that by adding or subtracting some offset that's triggered by our scroll bar here. And you'll see on the left that my degrees increment by either the page increment or individual increment of my scroll bar. Or I can type in a constant here, drag the bar back where I want. So I've added this wedge to actually allow you to see that the circle is rotating instead of just a blue circle in space that is rotating but you can't tell. So the points of the wedge are made up of the first point on the table here of degrees, radians, cosine, and sine. That will correspond to this point on the circle. The next one is my origin up here above. And the last point is, I believe I set it at 10 degrees. So I'm actually charting on this arc from 0 to 9 degrees. So we get a total of 10 points within that. So it's pretty cool. You can move the wedge around in a circle, see that we're rotating. We can do this from any location in space, and our wedge will still continue to rotate with the circle. We can do this with any number of shapes. If you'd like to see a specific shape, please leave a comment below. I will do some more shapes on my own, but if you'd have one that you'd like to see before, just let me know. So like my video or subscribe or both, and look forward to more videos.